Just let me love, let me be here on the floor, flying eastward to the shore, knowing that the stars won't last in the sky. I took you to a prison cell. You were afraid and I could tell. Then on a train we met a friend who showed us that we should pretend.
I need to be myself again, and know precisely when it is time to be the actor. It is amusing when everything is confusing. Better to be in on the joke the world is afraid to admit, or ashamed to confess, or alternatively, eager to expose. How is it that I am more of the above? There's got to be more than denial and drugs. Empty bottles are starting to feel less fun, and the dizziness is deceiving.